All right, everybody, we have our ingredients, so let's mix them together into some slime. Let's start with some water. I'm gonna grab a mixing bowl and put half a cup of water into our mixing bowl. Now we add 1 teaspoon of borax. Take your stirring stick and stir it up until all the borax is kind of evenly dissolved or mixed in. I think we're good. Yeah, I'm gonna say we're good. So we're gonna take this mixture and set it aside. Get a new mixing bowl. I'm gonna choose the bigger one. And then we're gonna mix all of the kind of dry and foamy and gooey ingredients together. And then we're gonna add some of this stuff. So first, we're gonna start with half a cup of glue. All right, half a cup of glue into the thing. I'm gonna use our scraper, make sure we get it all out. I feel pretty good about that. So, got half a cup of glue. Now we need to add half a cup of shaving cream. And when you choose your shaving cream, you gotta get the old-fashioned kind, the kind that's like super foamy. You know, you'll see what this looks like, but this is the kind you need. There you go. That's roughly half a cup. Half a cup of super foamy shaving cream. Oh yes, this is gonna be so sweet. I'm so fired up about this. Next, you take your fluffy hand soap and add another half cup of that. See, the foamy kind. Ooh, this stuff smells good too. Pro tip, use some cherry blossom pear scent or whatever you want to make it smell nice. Ooh, All right, we're gonna put that in there. Half a cup of our foamy hand soap. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This stuff is like a thickening agent in a lot of recipes, and it makes things makes them thicker. Makes them thicker and jelly-like. Now we're gonna take our hand lotion, just for good measure. We're gonna add a couple squirts. It's like our little cherry on top of this goopy sundae, you know? Now we're gonna mix all of this goop stuff together until it's nice and thoroughly mixed. We want a nice thorough mixture. It might take a while because we got some wet stuff, we got some dry stuff, we got some foamy stuff in there. Oh man, this stuff smells good though. Oh yes. If you want a very pleasant slime making experience, choose some good smelling hand soap, man, because this is a dream. I feel great doing this. At this point, you can add your food coloring to color your slime. And I did green last time, so I think I'm gonna do a little red. That sounds kind of fun. Mixing it up a little. I want a deep red. I'm going 3 and seeing how red it goes. Might be a little more pink. Yes, look at this. Looks kind of pepperminty. That's a cool pink right there. All right, perfect. Okay, so the next point is, remember the last slime we made? We added the borax solution a little by little. We're gonna do the same thing here. So we're gonna bring back in our borax solution that we made. We're gonna take our tablespoon and we're gonna only add like a scoop at a time while we stir, because we don't want it to get super watery, right? So we're gonna add just a little, and this is gonna kind of like finish out the slime making process. and make it actually, oh, you can already see it come together. Make it less of just like a goop and more of like a slime you can kind of hold and feel. Oh, this is gonna be phenomenal. So I only added 3 scoops this time. And look at that, it's already doing like, oh yes, man. Look at this. Look at that. Add a bit more. Oh, if your slime is too sticky, you just add a bit more of that borax solution. All right, guys, this is where things are getting real. This is where we put away the stick, we put away the thing, we roll up some sleeves. It's time to get messy. Oh, yes! Yes! This is incredible. Holy cow. It definitely needs a little bit more borax, I think. Just a little bit more, sprinkling it on to help with the stickiness. Oh, dude, this is gonna be phenomenal. All right. Like our other slimes, this one needs to be, you need to knead it for a while before it gets to the final shape. Dude, and I still think this is way too sticky. So we're gonna add some even more of that borax. There we go, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with gas. Now they're doing it. This is the real deal, guys. So, you know how the other slime we made? That slime was really rubbery. This slime is much more kind of like jiggly, much more foamy, and much more bouncy too. It's like it's lighter, it's great. It's a whole different experience. It's like there are air pockets trapped inside there. Dude, it makes it so light. It's almost, oh, it's feathery, it's awesome. So that's how you follow my recipe to make fluffy slime. You guys can make that, make something else, add your own twist to it, whatever you feel like. But now you got your second slime recipe to work with. Fluffy slime.